Roses from behind. Soraya ngayon. Quick set to Weneth Eulalio. At mukhang yung pag-iinit ni Eulalio dito sa third set magiging sanhi ng pull away dito unless Smart Maynilad can do something about it.
Blocking has to become one of their main assets for Smart Maynilad if they want to stop these spikers.
Tabaquero, another good serve. So good na hindi na naibalik yun. 22-17. Yep, 5-point lead. And another timeout for Roger Gorayev.
Sipan niya lang, ha? Masyadong pala yun. Masyadong bababa na yun. Kunti lang yun. Nakaraan niya, ano score natin? 23-18. Nahabol natin. Nanalo pa tayo eh. Ano natin yan, ha? Sipan niya lang. Nairesus naman tayo eh. Kaso nga, itong laro natin ngayon, yung endgame natin, yung practice natin dito sa 20 pag lang.
At yan po ang ating kinaroroonan ng ating open conference dito po na Shakey's B-League. Cagayan Valley up by 5. Chisayet checks back in to finish off itong erstwhile undefeated. Tignan natin kung magiging erstwhile yan. Para
sabi nga ni Coach Roger during the timeout, now, kailangan i-up pa nila yung laro nila.
Right.
5 points lang yan, kayang-kaya pa nila bumangon.
Well, now it's 6 points because of the miss by Maruba Natikla.
No check ball right there.
So, 23-17, napako na po sa 17 points. Itong Smart Maynilad.
First time we're seeing Rosemary Vargas here in the open position for Cagayan.
Tingnan natin kung pupuntahan siya dito ni Chisayet. Roses, tinulak. Binuhay naman.
There.
Here's Vargas. At nakabang agad na si Charo Soriano. Vargas again. Going. De Leon. Banatikla. Nalusot. Tinarget ni Maru si Chisayet. Nakakapasok lang.
Wala pa. Hindi pa pawis.
Hindi pa nakaka-warm up.
Malamig dito. Mahirap mag-warm up.
Well, pag sinama mo pa ng ulan yan, mahirap na talaga. Ruby, good serve.
Let's pray for no more rain.
Let's do that. Roses ngayon for Charo Soriano sa gitna. Walang tao sa likuran. Iba yung dive ni Junela.
Dalawa ata yung bola natin dito sa court ngayon.
Si Junela nag-dive flat. Ba't doon napunta yung bola? But still, 4 points down ang net spikers. Now 5 points down. Match point 5 para dito sa Cagayan Valley.
What will it do to your team's moral?
Oo. Especially pag si Ruby De Leon, your best server, commits a service error at the most crucial juncture of the match. Chisayet. Going. De Leon, one-hand set. Charo gets 1 point back. Ngayon si Charo, naalala natin ng ating first set. It ended on her service fault. Now she needs to connect on 6 consecutive serves.
This is very crucial for their team.
That's one. Saet. Binuhay pa rin. And Ruby gets it across. Jonela. Saet ngayon. Third ball. Tinapik na lamang ni Eulalio. Hindi nagkaintindihan. Eto ngayon si Maru. And Charo kept it alive. Soltones cannot get there.
Almost though, but...
Well, kinapos. Kinapos talaga. And the winning streak is over para sa Smart Maynilad. At mananatili pong undefeated itong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Pero ang nakakagulat dito, Michelle, straight sets nila nakuha against the undefeated Smart Maynilad squad.
Although naman malapit yung score.
Right.
It was a close fight. Umabot pa tayo sa 26-24 the second set. Pero di talaga kinaya pagdating dito sa third set. Lumayo na talaga ang lamang.
At yan po naging final score natin. Di kita naman ang laban pero straight sets po nakuha ng Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Ang kanilang pangalawang panalo at the expense of Smart Maynilad. And we send it over now to Rina Villamor with our Shakey's Player of the Game.
That's right. I have with me now Aiza May. So first of all, congratulations sa Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Aiza, alam natin may iniinda kang left elbow strain. Pero paano ka ba nakapag-step up sa larong ito?
Pinagpahinga ko lang tsaka bawas palo muna ng mga bola.
And paano nyo naman paghahandaan itong Philippine Navy team na susunod yung makakalaban?
Siguro improve lang namin yung service receive namin, blocking, lahat.
Alright. Alright, maraming salamat sa'yo, Aiza. At syempre, hindi ka aalis kung wala ang ating Shakey's representative kasama natin ngayon, si Miss Denise, para ibigay sa yung Best Player Prize. Maraming salamat and congratulations again to the Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. I'll turn you back to Noel and Michelle.
Thank you very much. At titignan natin sa ating team standings dito, Michelle. May bahid ng Smart Maynila dito.
Updated ang standings natin.
Yep, and Cagayan Valley, of course, still undefeated. Philippine Army still undefeated dito, pero mahaba pa itong ating preliminary round ng ating Shakey's V-League dito. Pero what a game para dito sa Rising Sun.